Hello everyone. Now I am going to start the carbylamine reaction in this video. So what is carbylamine reaction? This reaction is used for only primary amine RNH2. The reagent is used is that CHCl3, that is chloroform, in basic condition, that is KOH. If you remember that this same reagent is also used in Rimmer-Timon reaction. But in carbylamine reaction, if primary amine is reacted with CaCl3 in KOH, then it gives isocyanide. So here direct method is of that reaction is replace NH2 by NC group. This is the simple method. Now come to the mechanism, how this reaction is going on. So let here chloroform is there, HC, 3 chlorines are there, and base is here, OH minus. So what is happening here? Here this hydrogen is acidic. How it is acidic? If after removing this H plus, negative charge comes on that carbon, is well stabilized by these 3 very electronegative atom. So therefore this hydrogen is acidic. So therefore this will minus H2O and 3 chlorines are there and negative charge is there. Now what happened here? Now the next step is alpha elimination. What is alpha elimination? Out of these 3 chlorine, 1 chlorine is removed out as a leaving group. So here what is formula has negative charge on carbon is already there and 1 electron is removed. So here how many total electron will be remain in the outer shell of carbon? These two, 6. That is, this is the formation of carbene, dichlorocarbene. This is the electron deficient species. That is, we can use as a electrophile. But here now this is the main attacking reagent, attacking intermediate we can see in that carbylamine reaction. So now the next step is here ReNH2 is there, primary amine is present in the reaction, nitrogen has lone pair, this will attack on carbon. So what will form? RNH, here another H is Cl, minus charge will come on carbon and positive charge will come on nitrogen. So now the next step is, from here what happens is here this chlorine is removed out and 1 proton is removed out and HCl gas is removed. So what will happen? Rn double bond C, here H, 1 chlorine is present, positive charge on carbon, positive charge on nitrogen, negative charge on carbon remains same. So again another molecule of HCl will remove out, minus HCl, and here formation of isocyanide will happen. So here isocyanide is formed in that reaction. So therefore this reaction is also called as isocyanide test. In the exam, this on the basis of that test, isocyanide test, so many questions are asked in previous year also. Not directly the question asked, but in a big question, small sub question or sub reaction is given depending on that reaction. There is possibility of 1 mark question that which intermediate is involved in the carbylamine reaction. So our answer is carbene or dichlorocarbene. dichlorocarbene. Carbene is the intermediate involved in that reaction. So let here two types of C triple bond N groups in the reaction. That one is cyanide and another is isocyanide. So after hydrolysis of that acidic hydrolysis, cyanide gives acid plus NH3, and isocyanide on acidic hydrolysis gives RNH3 plus formic acid. But in the partial hydrolysis of cyanide, partial hydrolysis means two bonds are only hydrolyzed, then it gives amide, and after further hydrolysis it will give acid RC. But in that reaction we are not dedicated to this, we want only isocyanide. So see here, after hydrolysis of isocyanide it gives RNC plus formic acid. Now one previous year question is asked depending on that reaction in JEE 2021. The question is that compound A is converted to B. Let's write here, compound A is converted to B on reaction with CHCl3 and KOH. CHCl3 and KOH. The compound B is toxic. This is toxic and can be decomposed by C. Here decomposed by C means it will give some product, let's see P, and reagent is C. It is decomposed by C. And then what are the A, B and C? If you see the option, then you can easily give the answer of that question. But without option you can't give, because this is the same reagent also used in Rimmer-Tiemann reaction. So there will be some little confusion in the question without any option. So let's see here, read the options. Here A option is primary amine nitrile concentrated HCl, secondary amine isonitrile concentrated NaOH, primary amine isonitrile concentrated HCl, secondary amine nitrile concentrated NaOH. Now if you see here, I told already that hydrolysis of isocyanide is in acidic condition, then it will give RNC plus HCOH, means acidic hydrolysis should be there. Means if you see here in the option, here concentrated HCl means it is the hydrolysis. Indirectly you can write H3O plus, here also H3O plus. But concentrated NaOH is not in the hydrolysis of the B. That is what is our product? Isocyanate. Now these options are cut. Now these options are remains here. But now primary amine. Now idea about which reaction is the involved in the reaction in the question is comes out, and then which reaction is asked? Carbylamine reaction. So let's see a carbylamine test. What is the starting material of reactant of carbylamine reaction? Primary amine. So in both option primary amine is there. So we can't differentiate option on. We can't differentiate A and C. So now comes to the next. What is B? So our A should be primary amine. Then what is B? Nitrile, isonitrile. Let's see here. Our product. What is the product? Cyanide. I told you that cyanide. Sorry, RN triple bond C. Or we can say it as a isonitrile. Cyanide is called as nitrile, and isocyanide is called as isonitrile, and in practically this isocyanide is little much toxic. So isonitrile is our B, isonitrile, and hydrolysis means acidic hydrolysis. So our answer is primary amine isonitrile, primary amine isonitrile and acidic hydrolysis. So our correct option is C. So this is the overall carbylamine reaction, or we can also say it as a what, isocyanide test. So I hope you have will understand this carbylamine reaction. This is enough for that reaction, and I will continue the next name reaction in another video. Thank you.